Tan. I'm the website content writer at Healy Consultants based in Singapore. Today I have with me my colleague in Europe, Petar Chakarov, and he is our Sales and Business Development Officer in our European office. Hi Peter, how are you?
Hey Koi, all good, thank you.
Good. What's the weather like right now in Europe?
It's springtime, end of spring, a lot of flowers everywhere, sunny. Very enjoyable.
Very nice. Alright, so today we're talking about something that is pretty new, I think, to our podcast, right? A Dallas engagement that you recently completed, yeah?
Yes, it was a great engagement. A client from India was looking to register a business in the US for her freight and logistics business. And she paid us basically a retainer to compare a couple of places across the globe and within the US, receive a little bit of tax advice. And at the end, she decided to go with a new company in Dallas.
Alright. Were there any challenges though with this engagement?
Yes, we were not sure if she was going to travel to the US. As usual, most of our clients ask us to open a US bank account for them without travel. And we do have such options available with a great bank that has offices in New York and in Florida. But at the end, the lady decided to indeed travel to the US in order to increase the pool of banks that were available for her to open a bank account. And in the end, we managed to open a bank account for her with the top 3 US bank.
That's good. Alright. Well, how long did the engagement take about?
Fortunately, the company formation process on its own is fast. It took about 2 weeks to get a company number in Texas. And after that, for the bank account, we managed to schedule a meeting with a great banker from a corporate banking branch in New York. The lady visited the branch, and next day she got a bank account.
Oh, that's pretty smooth sailing then. Alright, well, Peter, what would you say there were any highlights or key takeaways for you from this Dallas engagement?
Sure. When clients look to open a business in the US, this is a complex matter. Tax requirements, reporting obligations, and in the end, effective tax rates vary between different US states. So one should be mindful where to register a business, what access to local clients, and where physically to open an office if need be. Majority of our clients do business internationally outside of the US, and a Delaware company is a great solution for that particular strategy. But when you do business within the US, you need to be mindful about the differences between states.
Yeah, very important. It's also different when if it's Delaware, right?
Correct.
Well, Peter, thank you so much for your time today, and have a good day, Peter.
Thank you, Koi. You too as well.
Thank
Bye-bye.
Bye.